Hey you guys, welcome back to another Clean With Me. Today I am showing you my refrigerator cleaning routine when it pertains to me going to the grocery store. So I've already shown you guys my Sunday routine where I meal prep and get everything ready for the week. Cleaning out my refrigerator is something I like to do at least twice a month at the least. Sometimes I do it every time I go to the grocery store. Going to the grocery store is the best time to clean out your refrigerator because you just got new groceries. So now you can take everything out of the refrigerator, make sure there's no expired food. If there is, you need to get rid of it. And you get to take everything out of your refrigerator and clean it. I love to do this process when I get groceries. Therefore, I know all of my new groceries are going in. I can prioritize which food I need to eat or cook first based on when the last time I go to the grocery store versus what I just got today. So if you guys like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.